This is Space Headquarters. Come in, over. Repeat your objectives, over.
Copy, Space Headquarters. My objectives are to monitor, discover, and explore.
Sir, we detected some motion last night. Your assignment? Discover the true origin.
Reviewing the footage. What is that?
This expedition will require Scout, equipped with advanced monitoring sensors. Now record your route using Scout's mapping technology.
Patrol deployment is now set for 2000 hours.
Copy. Recharging battery. Patrol initiated. Night vision camera is enabled. Obstacle detected. Engaging omnidirectional maneuvers. Approaching origin of motion detection. Life form detected. Going in for a closer look. Looks to be some sort of dog, sir. Oh boy, we got contact. He's licking the camera, sir.
Well done, Scout. Head back to base.
Successful mission, sir. Over and out.
Programming Scout's next mission.
Introducing ALSU, a smart video doorbell that makes sure you see and hear everything.
Hi!
5-megapixel Ultra HD video with wide dynamic range and direct video calling means you'll never miss a visitor. It's easy to install and can be used on any home, either wired or battery powered. Even when you're not at home, you'll know in real time when someone visits. And when you can't talk, use quick replies instead.
Please leave the package in front of the door. Thank you.
ALSU uses the latest technology to know exactly when and where someone steps onto your property.
Hey, that's mine.
Sorry. Plus, it's handy when you don't feel like making conversation.
Sorry, we're not interested.
But if I could just...
Nope.
And you can access everything anytime via the ALSU app. ALSU stores everything locally, can handle extreme weather, works in the dark, and even connects with your smart assistant.
Hi! I go movies!
The ALSU Video Doorbell. Never miss a visitor.
I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the I gotta I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the
Introducing Mini, the new indoor smart security camera from Blink. Mini is mighty, but tiny, which means you can place it just about anywhere inside your home. View, listen, and talk
Hey guys. Hey Mom.
right from the Blink app on your smartphone. You can even get alerts whenever motion is detected. So whether it's an unexpected intruder or the dog walker you forgot was coming, you can protect what matters most, day or night. Mini makes smart home security simple and affordable. Just blink, and you're home.